the insurance protection gap, we're mostly, when we talk about the protection gap, referring to those coverages that we expect in many very developed economies to be mandatory or bought by an overwhelming majority of the population. Your homeowners, your auto insurance, things that it'd be very strange if you didn't buy them, because you'd be exposing yourself to a massively unaffordable risk that you could avoid for a relatively low cost, or that you're legally obliged to pay to avoid. But actually, I think one of the biggest emerging risk areas as a category, as a sort of area of this imaginary visual that one day we'll publish, is those risks which are smaller, but still annoying and still, setbacks to financial goals and financial well-being, but that would require too much effort at the moment due to inefficiencies in the sales process or the claims process, or too much uncertainty in their processes for people to actually take the time or to have the trust in as things that they would actually go out and buy and claim on proactively. I think one beacon of hope in this space recently has been the growing uptake of what we call parametric products. The concept here being, that you can effectively guarantee a payout based on certain parameters, hence the name being met. So flight cancellation insurance can be made parametric on the basis that I think AXA made a product ages ago called Fizzy or something. But
it sounds
as one example. But everybody knows if the flight has been cancelled, it's on departure boards. It's very available via APIs by now. So if you've got a ticket to be on that plane and that plane gets cancelled, you shouldn't have to claim. You should just get a payout, and that purchase should be a no-brainer at point of sale, right? And then that's a hassle you as a customer don't have to worry about. It's low severity as a risk. You're not going to go bankrupt because your flight was cancelled. But if it was a expensive flight and there's not a good suitable available, the cost is very frustrating. But likewise, you're not going to go out of your way to compare providers and try and figure out how it works, and then after it happens, try and manage a claims process to get the funds back in your account to buy something else. There's a huge number of products in that category of small things on which data is widely available as to what has happened with certainty, that I think is greatly underutilized at the moment.